Hey, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Newoldstamp lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you send emails daily, this tool might surprise you. It turns plain email signatures into powerful marketing assets. Newoldstamp is a tool that helps you create and manage email signatures, not just for yourself, but for your entire company. Think of it as a central dashboard where you design one signature template, and with a few clicks, it's rolled out to everyone's email instantly. No more chasing people to update their signatures. The first big win is centralized management. Instead of every employee editing their own signature, you handle everything from one place. Need to change a phone number or update your logo? You do it once and it syncs for the whole team. That alone saves hours of frustration. Second, you get professional templates. Even if you're not a designer, your signatures will look clean and consistent. You can add your logo, headshot, social icons, and even disclaimers. It gives every email a polished, branded feel. Here's where it gets interesting. Signature marketing. With Newoldstamp, you can add clickable banners inside signatures, promote a new product, share a webinar link, or highlight a blog post. Since every employee sends dozens of emails a day, those banners become free mini billboards for your brand. And yes, there are analytics. You can track banner views and click-throughs. So instead of guessing, you'll know which campaigns actually get attention. That's valuable data most businesses miss out on. Normally, tools like this charge a monthly subscription, and those fees add up quickly, especially if you're managing a team. But right now, Newoldstamp is on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You pay once, and you get access forever. It starts at just $39 for 5 signatures, and you can scale up if you need more. That's a fraction of what you'd spend paying monthly elsewhere. So if you want your emails to look professional, consistent, and actually work harder for your business, Newoldstamp is absolutely worth checking out. I've dropped a link in the description. Click it to grab the lifetime deal before it's gone. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.